Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Darwin and I am also your instructor for this 0214 course. If you haven't already watched the 1314 video for your main course, please go ahead and go back there and that will explain more about the traditional course itself. This is the support course. You may see NCBM or integrated. They're all kind of synonyms for the same thing. And all it is a support for your main class. So this is not to stress you out. It is just to give you extra support and to further ensure that and to help you be successful in your normal course. So, to get to the point, um, I try to make this as simple as possible and just always know that whatever is in this course is here to support you. And if you're still feeling like I'm really bad at multiplying fractions or something like that, just let me know and I'm happy to find something to further help you. If there's something that you want to build your skills in some way that you feel you need help with. So here's the welcome video. You found it. You're watching it right now. Um, Course expectations. So all you have to do, 2 to 3 things for this course. There's a check-in every week. It is a grade, and I'll show you what it looks like. There is a skill builder, and then I provide a study tip if you want to read it. Um, so hopefully you find this to be a meaningful tool to, again, just help you support yourself in that other course. Let's look at the syllabus really quick. Oh, hello. Seems to always, oh, there it goes. Okay. Um, so here's the syllabus. Really, this kind of looks very similar to the other one, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you the main stuff. The check-ins are worth 40% of your grade. The assignments, I mean the activities or the skill builders, whatever you want to call them, are worth 60% of your grade. This is a separate grade than your other course, and you need to pass this course to pass the other course. Don't stress yourself out. It's really low stake. There's no test or anything in this one. It's just to help you for the other course, like I said. Um, I'm just emphasizing because I know it's a little weird, so I don't want there to be any confusion. Here's what a normal week would look like. Week one. I don't have an activity this week, so actually I'll show you week two in a second, but I didn't want to overwhelm you the first week. So here's what the check-in looks like. It's really straightforward and it takes people 30 seconds to 5 minutes. It's however long it really wants you to take it. So it does say it's a quiz. It's okay. That's just kind of how I set it up. Don't let the quiz thing freak you out. So I'll take the quiz and the first one's a free response. How are you feeling? How are things going? You can say something as simple as great or bad or whatever. Um, or you can be very um, descriptive about how you're feeling. I've had people, tell me stuff that's going on in their lives, and I'm sorry the homework's late. Um, Whatever you want to put here is totally fine. And then the second question is a multiple choice question. And this is just, again, for me to further help you. Do know that I have to select a correct answer here, which I think is just the first one. So if you put, let's say this one, it'll count it wrong. I'll go back and give you credit. Every week I go back and like either grade them or make sure that you're given full credit if you do this assignment. Each week I have a study tip. So for example, this week I did a note-taking tip, just quick tidbit again to help you. Just some things that I learned, or maybe I've got some videos over math anxiety or something like that. I'm going to get out of here and look at week two really quick. Sorry, because I didn't have an assignment for week one. Okay, so whoops. here's what the assignment would look like. So I provide a PDF of the assignment first, and then I'm going to provide a key for the assignment, and then you're going to submit the assignment. Okay, so if you don't have a printer, you can print this out and do it like that, or you can write it on a piece of notebook paper. Whatever you want to do is totally fine. And all it is to help further lay that foundation and build the support of what we're doing in the other class to make sure that you understand it. So there will be like a lot of people have issues with adding and subtracting fractions. So that is kind of the main thing that you would be doing in week 2. I am going to upload keys. There will be a key of this. It's not a gotcha. I don't want to count off. I don't want to give you a 50 for getting it wrong. I want you to be able to look at this and look at my key and see if you understand the concepts and say, oh, actually, I don't know how to add 2/3 and 3/5. Let me look at her key. Oh, I still don't get it. Let me reach out to her or something like that. It's just to help you. So if you turn it in, you're going to get 100 for it. I probably will just kind of bank on the fact that if you need help, you're going to ask me for it because really it's just going to be on my end. They did it, check the box. So on your end, it needs to be, okay, I got it, great. I'm not going to ask her for help, or I don't get this. I need to ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. That's what I'm here for. What else? Oh, lastly, when you upload your assignment, it's always going to be like this. You will need to, it will ask you to attach a file. You can do this on your phone. I'll write this out. I've got an app called Genius Scan. There's also apps called Cam Scanner, and you can just take a picture of it with your phone, send it to yourself, and it'll upload it as a PDF. You may can figure out how to upload this as a picture. I don't know. Y'all are probably more intelligent about the computer systems than I am, but I do use applications and they're free. So if you need help, let me know. They're really nice too, because I mean, I find in my personal life all the time that I have to send PDFs to myself. So I use that all the time anyways. Okay, I was going to try to keep this under 5 minutes and I have not done that. So I will leave it there. If you've got any additional questions, please let me know. I know that this is a lot of information right now, but really all you have to remember is each week in this course, it's just the check-in and the activity, and this is to support you for the other course. Thank you. Have a good one.